bad about to happen to me. I don't know what, but I feel it coming. Might be so sad, might leave my nose running. I just hope she don't wanna leave me. Don't you give me up, please. Don't give up on me.
So finally, this is my first video which I actually wanted to be like. Yeah, the clips which I have shown in start of very beginning of the video is of me doing some kind of exercise. Of course, I know it's not that high level, or like doing some massive progressive exercises and all that stuff. Yeah, I know that, but I just started it. This is my first day of doing this all. Also recording my first video. Of course, I am very excited for it because I am looking forward to upload more videos. I just wanted to be more consistent, more disciplined, and yeah, I just love to make videos. Like I just want to people to see, or like just get inspired from me. I know right now I'm not doing such things which like get people to inspire with. So yeah, I'm trying to do that. Of course, also I wanted to share my own life. Like I just wanted to show you some part of my life, so that like beside editing, cause the only thing which I do is editing. So yeah, of course, beside from that, I also wanted to share you what I'm doing, how I'm doing, and all that stuff. So yep, I'm looking forward to it, and definitely I'll post more videos. Hopefully I'll upload this video today itself. Yeah, I'll try to do that. So right now I'm heading towards my editing, because I have two edits. Of course, now one for YouTube, that is I guess on song. I don't know. I'll upload on song. It's just two of us, yeah, on that song, and another one is for my series, which is also known as Day. I don't know how many days I've completed. I guess 329. So yeah, it's day 329 of making annotated edits until he recognized me. So yep, I'll go and complete. I'll go and finish my work. Then I'll edit this video. Of course, take more couple of shots. Then post this video also, those two videos also, and yep, I'll try to be more consistent. I'll try to improve my English because I wanted to. I'll show you so many exciting things, like how I improve my running, how I go from push-ups to like I don't know how many. In so many things. I'm just so excited for it. It's a very long journey. Hope that you will love that. Hope that you will drop some suggestions on like how to do exercise and all that stuff. Yep, I'll try to be more, you can say, more active, so that I can just reply all of your comments, because most of the time I don't. On my second channel, which is what's that name? I guess Me Who Said, yeah, on that channel. So I don't. So yeah, I'll just be consistent and be more disciplined. And of course, looking forward to it. Yep. On that note, just wanted to like share one most important thing which I have learned and I have wanted to share with you guys, is that everything is possible. I feel that whatever you want or whatever you need in life, you will just have it on your own. You don't need anyone like to support or that. You just have to build that mentality to I'll do everything, whatever it costs, whatever, I have to be in from, or like whatever I have to do, I'll do everything. I'll sacrifice everything to achieve those things. Cause you can achieve those things. You just need to be more consistent about it. You just have to, just think about that thing 24/7. Like, yeah, I can do that, I can do that, and I can do that. Of course, you will. So that's the thing. And most important thing is just start. Just start. Cause right now I don't know how, how to shoot the video, how to do all that stuff. I know the editing. I know that my editing level is so high and I can do such high level editing, but I really wanted to keep these videos or all of my, all of my this channel videos to be raw, very raw. It's like I'll edit, it supposedly my, what I have to say, wait a second, I just forgot the line because it's not coming out of my mind and this was rhyme. Yeah, sorry for that. So yeah, the thing is, I'll keep all the videos in this channel raw. I don't want to, just oversaturated, over edited videos on this channel. So yeah, I'll keep very least editing in this videos. Yeah, what I was saying is that just start. In start, it will take, how I do that, how I in the first, no one is, looking into your content or looking towards you. So just be yourself. Just start. You don't have to think about them because they are not gonna pay you for your things. So just be yourself. Do the things which you like. Just be like you. Be more consistent. Be more disciplined. And most important thing is just start. You just have to start, and that's it. All things gonna happen slowly, and of course after some time you'll know what to do, how to do, and you will be, achieve those things which you want in your life. So that's it. On that note, I'll leave towards my editing and I'll see you in next video most probably, or if I take couple of shots, so I'll record that and edit that and see you in that shot, or hopefully see you in next video.